Hello, today we will guide you through how to change email address in Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll update the email associated with your Slack account using the desktop app or a web browser. Before you begin, make sure you can access the inbox of the new email you plan to use and know your current Slack password, as you'll need it for security. Start by opening Slack and going to your workspace's home view. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile picture or avatar. This opens your profile menu, which is where you can access personal settings. From that menu, select Profile to bring up your profile panel. In the top right area of this panel, click the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This reveals additional options related to your account. Choose Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings in your default web browser. If prompted, sign in to continue. Once the settings page loads, find the email address section. Select it to begin editing your email details. For security, Slack will first ask for your current password. Carefully enter your existing password in the password field. This step confirms it's really you making the change. If you have trouble remembering it, use your organization's approved recovery process before proceeding. Next, enter your new email address. Type it exactly as it appears and double check for typos. Small mistakes can prevent you from receiving important messages. If you're switching from a personal address to a work address, or vice versa, consider how that affects access to your workspace, especially if your organization uses single sign-on. In some companies, administrators control account emails. If you see a restriction or an error, reach out to your admin for help. When everything looks correct, click Update Email Address to submit the change. You may be asked to confirm the update through a message sent to your new inbox. Keep an eye on your email, including spam or junk folders, and complete any on-screen prompts. Until confirmation is done, your old email may still be active in Slack. After the change, Slack might sign you out on some devices. That's normal. Sign back in with your new email and the same password, unless your organization requires a different sign-in method. If you use two-factor authentication, be ready to complete that step again. That's it. You've updated your Slack email address. Remember to let teammates know if they rely on your email for notifications, and keep your recovery options up to date for a smoother sign-in experience.